Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the IBB chart here, as well as several other biotech names here, so we can get a really good picture of where biotechs are headed and go over some key levels here. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's really nothing in comparison to the membership you get at thetradinganalyst.com. The best part is, once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to the profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you. All right, so let's take a look at IBB here to start, and let's kind of review some main levels here. We mentioned this support level right here, about 286.50. That was a support level because this was previous resistance. Got a bounce right here, so definitely a key level that you wanted to watch out for. We got a bounce right there, and we have been mentioning that for quite some time before we actually got that bounce. So congrats if you liked it for a bounce there and got long. So now we had this big reversal action. Not only did we bounce off of this support level perfectly, but we also engulfed the previous 3 days action right here. This is definitely a reversal candle right here, and I do think that we can end higher on IBB, potentially as high as back up towards this 302.50 level of resistance right there. So today we made a higher high and a higher low compared to the last day and a day two right here. So nice action. Just looking for it to close over this about 295 level next to make it signify another move higher on IBB. Now we're going to take a look at Amgn. Amgn, again, you can see here it was at this support level right here. We got a little bit of a bounce off of that support level, but today we got a break, a true break below that below that support, and now we're headed into this support level right here. You can see it was previous resistance here, right there, and right here to fill that gap. So there's this big gap right here that's most likely going to fill. So that would be a touch of about 159.80 is going to be where most likely AMG is headed next, unless we get some kind of a reversal tomorrow. More than likely it's going to head lower to that level down there to fill that gap. Next we're going to take a look at AGN, and we're going to look at a couple things here. If you look at the longer term chart here, we're in this downtrend, and you really want to be aware of that. We've got this high here, rejection there, here, couple rejections there, and that's right where we got rejected right there. So we're coming into that level here that's just a little bit of ways away from us. We also have some resistance up here just above that at 250. You can see we got rejected there, right here, and that was previous support right there. So no surprise that we're definitely reacting to that level. Next we're going to take a look at RGN, and this is a very nice bounce from the lows right there. That was a nice long signal. We mentioned that as it happened, so congrats if you like that for a long with us. And it came up and hit that resistance level that we've been mentioning at about 398. You can see it tried to peek its head over it just a little bit and ended up getting a little bit of a rejection, but nothing, too big of a deal. But definitely you can see that it definitely reacted to that level here. So why is it a level? Well, it was where we got rejected right there. You can see it's where we got rejected right there, and it was previous support right here. So definitely a level of resistance you want to be aware of on REGN. Next we're going to take a look at Celg. And Celg, you can see, let's look at the bigger picture here. You can see we're right at this big time resistance, about 127. You can see we got rejected there, here, right there, and then right here, a few days, getting rejected at that 127 level right here. We also broke below this bull channel. You can see we were trading in this bull channel, bouncing perfectly off it. We broke it right here. You can see we came up and retested it here and got rejected right there. So we'll see what happens. Not saying it's headed lower, but we do have some resistance above us right there at 127 that you definitely want to be aware of. Right here, made that nice reversal candle here along with IBB. Nice bullish engulfing candle. And today, or actually the last 2 days, really just digesting the gains of this day right here. So definitely think that in the short term, looks like it's going to be headed higher here, but definitely want to be aware of that 127 resistance above us. Next, we're going to take a look at Gilead. And Gilead, another day below this support level. You can see it was support right here, 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 there, there, and then we almost broke below it here. Yesterday, we got a true break of that support, and today we closed another day below that support level and got rejected on that retest right there. So that's the short-term levels. We got this downtrend line that you want to be aware of. This one right here, you can see we started here, got a rejection there, several rejections here, several rejections right here. So definitely a level on Gilead that you want to be aware of. Next, we're going to take a look at MYL. And MYL got hit with 2 days of some news here, bad news. I'm not going to discuss the news, but I am going to discuss the chart here. And you can see we got this reversal pattern right here and made a higher high right here and a higher close right there. But right here you can see definitely not that friendly of action. But with that bad news, you got to keep in mind that we held these lows right here. So we had these lows right here. It bounced off of that low. I know it's just a little minor bounce right there, but still we didn't break these lows. So we'll see how it reacts tomorrow. To me, in my opinion, it looks like it doesn't look great, but for 2 days of bad news, 2 separate pieces of bad news, this action to me really is not that extreme, and I think it could still get some kind of a bounce. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, but definitely want it to hold these lows about $40. If it breaks $40, most likely it's going to head lower. But definitely today it had its chance to really break down below these lows, and it didn't really do it just yet. So we'll see what the action tomorrow brings, and we'll keep you updated. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos that we give to you on a daily basis, it's truly nothing in comparison to the membership you get at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, you're not only going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts that I mentioned before, but you're also going to gain instant access to the private Twitter feed, the daily watch list, the real-time trade alerts that are sent directly to your cell phone via text message, so you're never going to miss a move in the market. You're also going to get access to the exclusive daily member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to help you.